Hey guys, we received this essential oil diffuser, Aromatherapy Diffuser 500 ml with a remote control. So this is to test and try, and you can see there's a 4 timer and auto off safety switch with a 7 color LED lights mode. So let me just unbox it and see. So this is the main diffuser. Looks really nice. It's a wooden look and very nice window for the LED lights, as you can see it here. So this the accessory thing like the adapter and the remote control. So you have to put in the water in this chamber and then just close it and put in the adapter to start it running. So the adapter goes here. There is a thing to just to put a wire. So I will just put in the water, this cover, put in the electricity, push in the button. So there is a timer as well, like 137 or whatever the hours, and you can also do it through the remote. So you can see like all these different lights. So looks really nice, very vibrant colors and very nice looking this LED lights. So you can also use it as a night lamp along with this aromatherapy or the diffuser. So the light looks good as well. You can see it here. So the remote control also come with this, and you can control this through the remote control as well. My overall impression is a great diffuser, simple operating with a remote control, nice LED lights, looks like a good showpiece lamp and a diffuser itself.